Hi, welcome to the Frugal Frau. I'm Sukey, your host, and today I just want to introduce you to a new series that we're doing, and it's a series about making all the trim that you see here around this door. And so it comprises of many different pieces, including dentals and quarter rounds and bull noses and triple beads, and I just want to let you know too that the entire section above a door, when it's like this, when it's this decorative, is called a head. And these are actually called the jambs or jam surround and columns and or casings. Some people refer to them as casings because the actual jam is really the part that holds the door up. But in this case, we can also refer to it as an architrave for those who like those kind of terminologies, because it's actually supported on these two columns. And so technically that is an architrave. It's the piece that goes above the columns and provides a support. In this case, it's very decorative. So I think you'll want to stay tuned for that entire series, and I hope you will enjoy that. Please subscribe so that all your notifications will be on so that you won't miss any in this really kind of fun series that we're going to do. So thank you for listening to my little short intro here, and we look forward to seeing you and hearing from you on each of these videos. Thank you very much.
Here is a diagram of all the various trims that make up the door head. In this series, we will demonstrate in separate videos making dental, making a medium and a small cove, the quarter rounds, the large organzo quarter round, and bullnose, as well as we will be showing how to make the 3-bead trim for the columns on either side of the door that I showed earlier in the video.